Welcome to the delicious world of pumpkin crunch dessert. In this video, we will show you how to make this popular fall treat. Pumpkin crunch dessert is a delectable combination of creamy pumpkin filling and a crunchy, buttery crust. It is loved by many for its rich pumpkin flavor and irresistible texture. To make this delightful dessert, you will need fresh pumpkin or canned pumpkin puree, along with a few other ingredients. It's important to use fresh pumpkin or high-quality canned pumpkin puree to get the best results. Let's go through the steps to make pumpkin crunch. First, you'll need to prepare the pumpkin mixture by combining the pumpkin, sugar, and spices. Then, you'll assemble the crust and topping by mixing together flour, butter, and sugar. After that, it's time to bake the dessert until it's golden brown and bubbling. Now it's time for the optional serving suggestions. You can enjoy pumpkin crunch as it is, or you can get creative by adding a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. To make the perfect pumpkin crunch, make sure to properly measure your ingredients and adjust the baking time and temperature based on your oven.
Once you've enjoyed your dessert, you can store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to a few days. If you want to experiment with different flavors, you can try incorporating additional spices or flavors into the pumpkin mixture. You can also add some nuts or a streusel topping for an extra crunch. The possibilities are endless. So grab your apron and let's get started on making this mouth-watering pumpkin crunch dessert. It's the perfect treat to enjoy during the fall season.